Well, good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on where you are when you're watching this here vlog. Uncle Dirt coming to you from Mel's Diner in Boulder City, Nevada. But, pardon the toothpick, we're not actually here to stare at Mel's Diner, although I'll give you a little peek-see of this place. Apparently it has been rescued here, saved by this place called the Scratch House. Maybe we'll do another vlog on the Scratch House because that's got a pretty interesting thing on its roof. But today, we're here to check out some of the artwork. And a man among men, by no means king of the toilets? Huh. Stay tuned. Yes, my friends, as Providence would have it, this right here, ALB, or if your camera's backwards, or TV, or even if you're standing on your head, it may be BLA, which I don't know what means. But this, I'm pretty sure, means Alabama, which is amazing, because just down the street here, only 55.5 paces from where you and I are currently, is the whole purpose of this vlog. Now, let me give you a little background on what you're about to see. This gentleman here was one of the original men who sacrificed life and limb, literally, to help build the Boulder Dam, aka now known as the Hoover Dam, just over yonder that way on the border of Arizona and Nevada. And back to the ALB, the Alabama deal that was on the car there, this dude's name, no one really knows his real name, but he went by the name of Albam, short for Alabama, which may have been where he was in fact from. But again, do your own research. I'm not an expert in anything. I'm just an adventurous kind of guy who likes a whole bunch of nerdy stuff. So I give you the gentleman known as Albam. This piece of art was put up in 2007. He's holding that there broom like a officer or a infantryman holding the rifle. And you can see here, he got him some cable going around like a bandolier. But what are these things? What are these things, you might be asking yourself? What the heck is that? Well, those, my friends, those are toilet paper rolls right there. And this was Albam's job. Back in the day, in the 30s, during the Great Depression, when they were putting together the Hoover Dam, well, they had roughly 7,000 plus men, a lot of them living right here in Boulder City, Nevada, with all of its historical goodness. Some of the homes back up there built in the early 30s. Of course, the Main Street coming back, you had about 7,000 plus men. Well, before they'd head on out, they'd meet in a local chow hall here, and they'd get their chow on. I think you know where I'm going with this, and why this man is a hero in many ways. So 7,000 plus men getting a full-on belly, packing a big old lunch, heading down to the old Boulder Dam to do their work. Well, the thing about the Boulder Dam is they didn't have any bathrooms. They didn't build them. They did, however, have outhouses, and they had Albam. So that's where this vlog takes a turn for the worst or better, depending on which way the wind blows, I suppose. So his job was to go clean them babies out using the old broom right there, swift and sweep and whatever I'm trying to say, make it a cleaner world, load up the TP. Not sure why these here are actually not cut, but maybe that has something to do with the artwork, or that was for the bigger fellas. Not quite sure there. Maybe Albam could let us in on a little secret. So after he got down there taking care of business, throwing in lye, restocking toilet paper, cleaning things up, Albam would do it all over again, day after day after day. Now let's see here. They got a little bit of information here that I might not know. Oh yeah, here they are talking about the Hoover Dam construction. More than 7,000 men labored in Black Canyon. Some jobs were glamorous and exciting. such as the high scalers who swung over the canyon on ropes and cableway operators who kept concrete buckets moving 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Other jobs were more mundane but no less important, and that's where Alabama comes in. There were muckers who shoveled mud out of the tunnels, truck drivers who hauled rock up and down the river, and like the man you see here, Alabama, those who swept the outhouses and kept them well supplied with paper. Hey, not all art is glamorous, nor are all jobs glamorous, but the man worked hard, he enjoyed his job, and hey, you can never fault a man for doing that. Or as the Texas Rangers say, no one can stop a man who keeps on a-coming, or something to that effect. So here's to you, Alabama, and men all around the world who have a passion for what they do. Keep it real, keep it honest, and work hard. Not everybody has a crappy job. Don't forget, check me out on the social networks. Amos Adventures, all one word, on Instagram and the Facebook. As you watch this guy cruise by here, folks are rolling by Alabama, probably never wondering more than once what he is doing or what he used to do. I'm just rambling. Have a good day. And don't forget, open your door. Go explore. Every day is an adventure.